Our founders recognized the need for a more formal bicycle advocacy organization in Los Angeles. Inspired by similar organizations in other cities, they recognized that cyclists' efforts were stronger and more effective when united. So they sought to combine these organizations and create a coalition that would work for the entire county. One of the first campaigns that LACBC launched and found success in was to increase bicycle infrastructure funding from the County Transit Authority, known as Metro. However, there is still work to be done before we have the unity that we need to be effective countywide. The LACBC works to make neighborhoods healthy, safe, and fun for biking. LA's 2010 Bike Master Plan, a 30-year plan calling for 1,600 miles of bikeways, has been passed through the City Council. However, to implement changes, elected officials, community stakeholders, and businesses in each neighborhood must embrace a growing popularity in bicycling and to the changes made to their streets. LACBC needs resources and trained individuals for its Neighborhood Bike Ambassador program to engage on a local level in order to make a compelling case for the bike plan in every neighborhood in the city of Los Angeles. The LACBC is the only membership-based nonprofit advocacy organization working to make LA County more bikeable. We have created and grown programs that have spun off into their own successful and effective organizations. As we are a coalition of diverse interests, focuses, and regions, we are able to work as an umbrella organization and the go-to for all biking needs in LA County. We have great relationships in City Hall and with other organizations who share our goals. We have and will continue to form partnerships to win campaigns. We are poised to make real change. Our innovative approach to inspire local advocates into a network of LACBC chapters working to make their communities healthy, safe, and fun places to ride a bike is a model that is already producing measurable results. We are considered the premier bike advocacy organization at the local government level and with transportation authorities. We have also helped to develop bike culture through our popular newsletter and events like Ciclavia and the River Ride. Using a balance of advocacy, community events, and education programming, we are seen as a generator for positive social programming, and we are changing perceptions of our cities and cycling. A fundamental measure of our success is with the growth of our membership. An increase in membership shows that Angelenos support the work that we do and that cyclists are eager to see the change in their city. In addition to members, we count the numbers of volunteers working in their own neighborhoods to advocate for bike improvements. We can also measure the benefits of our work by the numbers of safety trainings, the miles of safe bikeways, and numbers of new facilities now available across LA County. Some assume, because of our name, that we're a department of the county or that we work solely within the city of Los Angeles. While our offices are in downtown LA, we work for the entire county. We work to connect the towns and cities of LA County and make them pedestrian and bicycle friendly. Though we work on a county-wide level, LACBC constantly strives to bring its efforts down to the neighborhood level and engage local groups to work towards addressing issues that are relevant to their immediate community. In 2009, we organized the first ever citywide bicycle and pedestrian counts in the city of Los Angeles. We followed 2 years later with a second citywide count. Our bicycle counts showed a 32% increase in cycling citywide between 2009 and 2011, and where infrastructure had been installed after 2009, we saw a 101% increase in cycling. This shows that not only our efforts are paying off, but the public wants this change. Positive change for LACBC means more people on bikes, less trips in cars, reduced pollution, and an enhanced sense of community. It is challenging being an advocacy group for an expansive geographical area that is strongly embedded in car culture. For decades, cycling was unheard of as a form of transportation in Los Angeles, There's even a popular song from the 80s that says nobody walks in LA. However, the first Ciclavia, which is an open streets festival that closes 10 miles of city streets to cars and opens them up to bikes, saw 100,000 cyclists and has grown to 400,000 cyclists celebrating car-free streets. We know Angelenos want safer streets for biking and walking. Our first priority is updating and improving our database so we can communicate more effectively. Secondly, we need to support our existing local chapters with the various resources they need to thrive and grow their own members. We need to create materials in multiple languages to reach the various demographics of such a cosmopolitan county. To add to that, we need to create more chapters and cultivate new local partners so we are truly an organization worthy of our name, the LA County Bicycle Coalition. Los Angeles County is comprised of 88 different municipalities, more than 4,000 square miles, and has a population of more than 10 million. We must grow our membership to reflect the population and the geography of LA County. We need to reach out and recruit members, volunteers, and create chapters where they don't exist. Though we have strong partnerships with many organizations, we need to identify new partners. Additionally, LACBC would like to reach out to non-cyclists and encourage them to get out of their cars and get on a bicycle.